Hey Crafty Rebels, welcome back to the new video. I'm saying that weird and wrong, but anyway, welcome to the first tutorial for July. I did another one of those like challenge things where I randomly selected a comment that you guys left on my post on my Facebook group for Crafty Rebels gang. And the lucky winner for this month was Lisa. And before that, everybody was voting for Halloween stuff. So that was like, made my heart so happy because you guys are my people. And the winning comment was Lisa. And she wants to see me make a spooky pastel mini wreath. And this kind of got me a little stuck, not gonna lie, but I think I came up with something really cute and fun to try out. The twist on this month is that because she's the winning comment, she's going to win whatever I make here today. So that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna ship it out to her. So I'm gonna be doing that a lot in my Facebook group. If you guys want to join and have a say in what you want me to make, then don't forget to join the little challenges that I do every month. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna be making little mini wreaths. Now this idea is not mine. I first saw it from Stephanie, I forgot her YouTube channel, but I'll link her below. And she found these rings for shower curtains, and these are gonna create cute little mini wreaths. And to decorate the wreaths, I had to dig out my little mini garland. So I brought pink, purple, and black. And to fit with the spooky pastel theme, I grabbed a bunch of other things here that are, some are mine, some are handmade embellishments made for me using my stuff, some are handmade embellishments I made myself, others are die cuts and pieces from my collections. And then, so I'm just gonna use this kind of tinsel. Of course, you're gonna need a hot glue gun and whatever you wanna use to embellish. So let's get started. I like to start by adding the hot glue around that little space there. Oh my gosh, I'm going to burn my fingers. And I bet you can even use wool or like yarn and use that to wrap around the little rings if you don't have this type of tinsel. That would definitely work. I already know the difference. This black one isn't the greatest because it's not the same. If you guys can see, it's not the same. These ones, the skinnier ones, are a lot better for this type of project. So you want to add a bit of glue. So I like to just wrap around a couple times and then add some glue. Or you can add the glue for each turnaround if you'd like as well. I had a really busy day today. I have a baby baptism coming up and I don't have anything to wear, so I kind of went all day looking for a dress and I'm still stuck. Still haven't really found anything, so that should be interesting. And it's been a really busy day today, so the only chance I have to film is at night. Well, it's not nighttime, it's 7:45. The sun is still out, but it's a little bit dark here in the office. Lisa, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I hope you like it, and I hope you like the finished product because you're getting them. Okay, I'm just going to trim this bit here and just randomly glue it down. Okay. Ah. So this one doesn't really look like a wreath. What I could do, I guess, is go around and trim it, but that's just gonna make a mess. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. Let's do a purple next. This has a good wire in it, so I don't even need that much glue. So much better, right? I mean, this kind of looks like a fluffy bug, so I can still maybe use it. I'm just gonna do the last pink one off camera and then we'll be back to decorate. So I think gonna wrap around some of this twine so they can kind of mimic like ornaments, like wreath ornaments is what I'm thinking, or tags. Okay, so let me just cut that much off. Okay, I've been kind of playing around with stuff that I pulled out, and I really like this here. I think it fits everything so cute. I think I'll go with the purple. I think I'm gonna add this. Okay, let's just try not to burn my fingers. Ah! Okay, and I'm just gonna put it like that. I'm loving it. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so let's try and work on the pink one. If I should do that, or here's Spooky Delight. Oh, actually, I like these two together. Oh, that's so cute, right? That's so, okay, that looks really cute. Okay, okay, okay. Feet down. Okay. Oh, that's cute. These little faces make me so happy. Ah, careful, don't burn your fingers. There we go. So as you can see, these are super easy and really quick and fun to make. I'm already at my last one. It doesn't take much. I think for this last one, I'm just gonna go with the little treat bag. This one looks cute too, but then it just seems too plain. Let's give it a trim. Hopefully this helps and doesn't make it worse. Okay, this is starting to look a lot better. So much better, right? And it's actually looks like one of these. This is the perfect little project to make for all those things you get in Happy Mail, all the decorative embellishments that you don't really know what to do with. If you do like a handmade embellishment swap or something, these are kind of perfect. Like I added some embellishments that were pre-made on top of it, and it looks so cute. Anyway, I think this one may be my favorite though. I just love that little Shakespearean type of skull. Then we have the last one we just made. And if you have these hung up like on a stocking, like if you're doing like a gift exchange or something, that would be really cute. Or like on your tree, if you're doing a Halloween tree, or even in your Christmas tree, if you're doing that kind of Christmas, like it's like a Nightmare Before Christmas kind of tree, that'd be really cute as an ornament. Or you can use them to decorate your Happy Mail packages. Oh, this one's so cute too. I don't know which one's my favorite. You guys let me know which one you like the most. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And Lisa, thank you for your video suggestion, and congratulations once again. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the ones that I made, and they will be shipping to you soon. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you Rebels in my next video. Bye!